To specify school availability and unavailability times, tap on our school widget to enter the school settings and configuration screen, then select the Availability Times widget. DreamTimetables App enables the user to specify 3 types of unavailability periods, namely school-wide unavailability, teacher unavailability, and student classes unavailability. Unavailability periods are blocked periods where teaching is not permitted. DreamTimetables App makes it extremely easy to specify non-teaching or unavailability or blocked periods. Let us first understand this screen. The name of this screen is School-Wide Non-Teaching Periods or Blocked Periods or Unavailability Periods. School-wide unavailability periods affect the whole school. That is, all teachers and all students and their classes cannot have lessons during those blocked periods. The size of this matrix is based on the information we provided when we created the school, namely the number of school days per week, the number of periods per day, the start time of the first period, as well as the duration of each period. Note that whenever you change these school settings, all the unavailability periods that you have specified will be cleared. To make an entire day unavailable for teaching, you simply tap on the name of the day. Its color coding will turn to red, indicating that those periods are not available for any lessons to be taught in them. When you tap on it for the second time, you make it available for teaching again, and its color coding will be cleared. To make an entire period unavailable for teaching, you simply tap on the name of the period. Its color coding will turn to red, indicating that those periods are not available for any lessons to be taught in them. When you tap on it again, you make it available for teaching, and its color coding will be cleared. To make a specific time slot unavailable for teaching, you simply tap on the time slot. Its color coding will turn to red, indicating that the time slot is not available for any lessons to be taught in it. When you tap on it again, you make it available for teaching again, and its color coding will be cleared. The most common types of school-wide unavailability periods are break periods. Our sample school has a single school break, and it runs from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. We can specify the break by tapping on period 3 for each day of the week, or by simply tapping on the period name, which is period 3. If the school had another break period, we would similarly specify it that way. Suppose school management held staff meetings every first period on Mondays, we would make that Monday first period unavailable for teaching. Suppose Wednesday afternoons were sports days in our school, we would make those Wednesday afternoon periods unavailable for teaching. Suppose our school allowed students to leave early on Fridays. We would make those Friday afternoon periods unavailable for teaching. That's how simple it is to specify availability and unavailability times in DreamTimetables app. Please take cognizance of the fact that the more periods you make unavailable, the fewer periods will be available for DreamTimetables app to generate feasible timetables. You should therefore use this feature of making periods unavailable very sparingly and only where it is absolutely essential. DreamTimetables app will warn you when you have blocked too many periods for a feasible timetable to be generated. When generating your timetables for the first time, start by not blocking any periods apart from specifying break periods. Once DreamTimetables app informs you that it has successfully generated feasible timetables, you can gradually introduce the other unavailability periods. If you still want to accommodate all your non-teaching periods, you might have to consider changing the school cycle by increasing the number of periods per day, or increasing the number of days per week, or shortening the period duration. That is all about specifying unavailability times for the whole school. Let's clear the other periods and only leave the school break in period 3. In the next session, we will focus on specifying unavailability periods for teachers and classes.